Let me ask you a question. When you enroll for a course, which is more important to you? The knowledge and skills that you gain from the course, or the degree or certificate you get after the course is over? Most youngsters, I have found, are more interested in the certificate rather than what is being taught in the course. Their first question is, will I get a certificate? They're not interested in what is the content of the course, or who is the faculty for the course, or what is the methodology that is used in teaching this course. No, they just want to know whether you will give them a certificate. I absolutely agree that you need a certificate or a degree to get a job. But youngsters today have started believing that just a certificate is enough. And that is some faulty thinking. We have a lot of youngsters today who have degrees and certificates with them, but they are not being hired by the company. Why? Because they have not honed their knowledge and skills. I come across a lot of MBA students, and I have found them to be boasting that they need just the stamp of MBA to get a good paying job. Giving too much importance to degrees and certificate has also resulted in a lot of rackets in fake degrees and certificates. So my suggestion to you is, don't go for the certificate, but go for the knowledge and skills. And that way, you increase your chance of getting hired by the company. But if you depend only on the certificate, chances are that you will be getting fired from the company. I hope you found the video useful. Yes, then please share it, like it, comment on it, and most important, subscribe to my YouTube channel to keep getting cool videos like this. This is RajivKumarLuv, your friend, your personal coach and guide. I'll be back with yet another video because I love making videos for you. So thanks for watching this video. See you again in my next video. Until then, be happy, keep smiling, and take care.